through fire for you. Never thought you'd light the match. Now I'm staring at the ashes of a bond I can't get back. You knew all of my secrets, every bruise I tried to hide. And I let you see my battles, thinking you'd be on my side. But you turned it all against me, whisper sharp as blades. You smiled while throwing daggers, then walked off like you were brave. You said you had my back, but that knife says otherwise. Funny how you call it love while feeding me your lies. You were never really my friend, just a lesser wrapped in skin. I gave you truth, you gave me games. Now I won't fall for that again. You wore loyalty like fashion, just for show, not for the end. And now I see it clear as day, you were never really my friend. I replay every moment, all the signs I didn't see. The way you twist the story, just to turn them all on me. You were smiling in the pictures, but your heart was somewhere else. Now I wish I could delete every lie you ever spelled. You took and vanished when it wasn't fun no more. Guess I was just convenient until you found a different door. You were never really my friend, just a lesson wrapped in skin. I gave you truth, you gave me games. Now I won't fall for that again. You wore loyalty like fashion, just for show, not for the end. And now I see it clear as day, you were never really my friend. Thank you for the clarity, I needed pain to finally see that not all who smile at you mean loyalty. I let you go with your go, well, no regret, 'cause losing faith is always best. So here's to all the masks you wore, I won't come knocking anymore.